welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to show you the Antutu benchmark score for the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Yes friends, finally I did gather the information from online regarding the Antutu benchmark score for the Realme GT Neo 2. So we do know the Realme GT Neo 2 has the processor of Snapdragon 870 chipset with the LPDDR5 RAM type and the UFS storage 3.1. So with the cooling system of the diamond particle cooling system, which is first time implemented in this Realme GT Neo 2, the Antutu benchmark score is really shocking. Let me to show you the Antutu benchmark score. This is exact Antutu benchmark score for the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, this is a Chinese version which I am trying to display here, the Antutu benchmark score. So which is about close to 7,21,000 in terms of the benchmarks. So which is Snapdragon 870 chipset. So right now we do have the Snapdragon 870 with the other smartphones like iQOO 7. iQOO 7 was able to reach the maximum up to 7,09,000 of benchmarks. So in my testing, that's what I did find out in the iQOO 7 device. But here we do with the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got 7,21,000. And here's another information which I did gather online, and as you can see 7,22,000 of the benchmark score. So by combining these two results, we can actually conclude that the benchmarks of this Realme GT Neo 2 will be having anywhere close to 7,20,000. So maybe the reason might be the cooling system in this phone that's kind of boosting the performance in this Snapdragon 870 in this Realme GT Neo 2. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a small video which I thought of sharing with you all regarding the Realme GT Antutu benchmark score, and stay tuned for more updates on the Realme GT Neo 2, and let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. And I'm really excited friends for the Realme GT Neo 2 device, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, don't forget to follow the playlist which I have created for the Realme GT Neo 2, and there you can actually find all the list of initial impressions and comparisons which I did with other phones, so which might be helpful for you as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and this is a quick review on this one. 7,20,000 we can take as an average for this Realme GT Neo 2 device. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.